Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a member to a shared Snapchat story. Enhance your shared storytelling experience by following these simple steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Tap on your avatar or profile picture to navigate to your profile settings. Scroll down to the Shared Stories section on your profile page, where you can find the stories you've shared. Next, locate the specific shared story to which you want to add a member and tap on the three dots next to it to reveal additional options. Select Edit Members from the menu options presented on the screen. Now, mark the member you wish to add to the shared story and tap Save to confirm your selection. Finally, tap Done to complete the process of adding a member to your shared Snapchat story. By following these steps, you can easily expand the circle of contributors and viewers for your shared stories, creating a more interactive and engaging experience for everyone involved. Thank you for watching this guide on how to add a member to a shared Snapchat story. Foster collaboration and connection by inviting members to contribute and view your shared stories on Snapchat. Enhance your storytelling journey by expanding the reach of your shared content and involving more members in the storytelling process. Enjoy a more inclusive and interactive shared story experience on Snapchat by adding members to your shared stories.